Sarandonga, Sarandonga, mañana domingo, Sarandonga, Sarandonga,
So hello, I'm Sebastian. I'm the Global Strategy Manager for Nutraceuticals at Expanscience. I'm very glad today to welcome you on our booth, enjoy your visit. So our nutraceutical activity is built on two pillars. The first one is sustainability. So we've been, as a pharmaceutical company, we've been the first one to be certified B Corp in 2019. And this translates for the Nutra business in relying only on fully traceable sourcing, on very responsible, certified and built on long-term partnerships with our suppliers. And from our pharmaceutical culture, we also rely on strong analytical expertise, high specifications in active molecules, and strict, control of contaminants, but also compliance with the regulatory environment, which we know is very challenging, especially in Europe. When it comes to our cosmetic expertise, so we've been developing and selling cosmetic active ingredients since 1977. So we have a strong knowledge in skin biology, which is very valuable for our nutri-cosmetic segments, which is a key focus for our Nutra business. When it comes to our pharmaceutical roots, so we provide a strong expertise in analytical, parts. So for example, for the maca, we guarantee the absence of specific alkaloids that are characteristic of the maca. And for Tulsinity, we can guarantee a minimum of 6% HPLC of a total of 6 different molecules that range polyphenols and triterpenoids. Creating synergies between our cosmetic active ingredients and our Nutra active ingredients is a key focus for us. So for example, we are trying to select raw materials that are compliant with both regulations. This is the case of the maca. We've been developing 2 active ingredients for cosmetic applications and 1 for Nutra, coming from the same certified Fair4Life supply chain in Peru. And the other aspect is to conduct in and out efficacy studies to create synergies between cosmetic active ingredients and Nutra active ingredients. So Tulsinity Bio is our full-spectrum holy basil extract, which is dedicated to relieve psychological stress, but also prevent the negative impact of the stress on the skin sensitivity. So with these active ingredients, we are targeting the fastest growing segment of the nutri-cosmetic, but also the one of the skin and mind segments. For the Macanity Bio active ingredient, we are targeting the muscle and bone density. So that means we can target different kind of populations. First of all, menopausal women, we are very subjected to these kind of issues during aging. And also recreational sport users who would like to improve their performance and muscle recovery. And lastly, the GLP-1 users, because of course they are subjected to a very large weight drop and they need to reinforce their muscle structure. So our next objectives for our very new nutraceuticals portfolio will be to first continue launching our 2 very first active ingredients with a focus on the US market and the APAC regions, where we have subsidiaries in New York and Shanghai with local teams present. The second objective will be to continue providing scientific results, especially clinical data on both ingredients. And the last objective will be to extend our portfolio by developing new active ingredients to catch the future trends of the market. So thank you for listening, and don't hesitate to keep in touch with us through our website, expanscienceingredient.com.